Samsung is launching 3 new Galaxy tablets, and we had the chance to check them out. The Galaxy Tab S8, Tab S8 Plus, and Tab S8 Ultra will launch on February 25th, but you can pre-order them now. The Galaxy Tab S8 starts at $700, while the Tab S8 Plus starts at $900, and the Ultra model starts at $1,100. All 3 new Android tablets come with high-resolution displays, faster new processors, and a premium metal design. But Samsung is really focused on the cameras this time around as more people are working from home. There's no doubt that Samsung is hoping these tablets will become the go-to iPad Pro alternative for Android users, especially since all 3 tablets come with their own stylus. In the brief time I've spent with these tablets, all 3 of them feel a lot like the iPad Pro in terms of design. But it's the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, the biggest and most expensive of the bunch, that really feels like it's trying to be a laptop alternative. Its 14.6-inch screen is bigger than that of a lot of laptops, which is why it's no surprise that Samsung is kind of positioning this as a work device. The Ultra has 2 front cameras, one of which is an ultra-wide lens, so Samsung clearly designed this with video chatting and video conferences in mind. Samsung also says the cameras can focus on the right speakers during a conference call. And that sounds a little bit like Apple's Center Stage feature for the iPad, which essentially does the same thing. The Tab S8 Ultra also has more memory and storage options than its cheaper siblings. You can choose to get the tablet with up to 12 or 16 gigs of RAM and up to 512 gigs of storage. The Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, meanwhile, is the middle tablet in Samsung's new lineup. It has a 12.4-inch screen, which makes it slightly smaller than the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. But unlike the Ultra, it only has one front-facing camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. And last but not least, the 11-inch Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 is the smallest and cheapest new option in Samsung's lineup. One of the biggest differences between the Tab S8 and Samsung's pricier tablets is that it's the only one to come with an LED screen. The Tab S8 Plus and S8 Ultra both have Super AMOLED displays, which should result in better contrast. Similar to the Tab S8 Plus, the regular Tab S8 also has one front camera with an ultra-wide lens. But despite their differences, Samsung's new tablets actually do have a lot in common. They all run on Android 12, they all also have Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, and they all come with an S Pen stylus. Plus, they can also boost their screen's refresh rates up to 120 Hz for smoother scrolling. And on top of that, they all have a dual-lens rear camera system that includes a 13-megapixel main camera and a 6-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Overall, the Tab S8 Ultra looks like a more polished version of what Samsung was trying to achieve with the Tab S7. That tablet also seemed like it was really meant to be a solid work device when paired with Samsung's keyboard. It seems like Samsung is really trying to lean into this productivity angle to help differentiate its tablets from the competition. Apple, of course, is the leader of the tablet market, and Amazon has really made a name for itself in the budget tablet space. So where does that leave Samsung? That's exactly what Samsung is trying to answer with the new Galaxy Tab S8 lineup. Check out our full story for more details in the description, and thanks for watching.